Well, this is my 1978 V8 Capri. I tried to start it yesterday and the car said no, I don't want to start. Things first, I've got to see the MSD is actually working. Right, these are the instructions. Make sure the ignition switch is off. Remove the coil wire from the distributor. Disconnect the MSD white wire and turn the ignition on. Right, that's the white wire out of the MSD. Just plug this in. Just plug this wire in there. It's a black wire now. It's just a trigger wire. Taking the wire off the distributor. It's just coming out the coil now. And I've earthed it, so I just need to switch it all on.